Hi guys, welcome back to Scotty's Backyard Barbecue. Today we're going to do a little product review of this bad boy chainsaw, battery operated. Gotta push this in here. Alright. It's made by the Sycar company, folks. Sycar mini electric chainsaw, 4-inch cordless electric chainsaw. Probably wondering why a barbecue channel is promoting a little chainsaw. Well, product selling point: rechargeable electric chainsaw, easy to carry, lightweight, portable, strong dynamics. Comes with all this stuff. I'll explain to you in a minute why a barbecue channel needs one of these. I went ahead last night and charged the battery up. They say it lasts 3 hours. We got an instruction permit. Here in America, we don't read instructions. So we'll put that over there. Comes with the charger, some tools, tighten that chain up and do repairs. It even comes with a bottle of oil for your chain. Alright. Got a little flippy thing on here. If you know anything about chainsaws, these are called dogs. Digging right in that limb. Like that, folks. Alright, now we get back to the part where, why does a barbecue channel need a chainsaw? Well, like me, I got a backyard full of maple trees. So, we go around here. And we got a pile of dried up maple. I'm going to cut all that up. There, that's why a barbecue channel needs one of these. Go out hunting in the woods, out on a picnic, camping, come across some hickory, some cherry, some oak. You gotta have one of these in your car, folks. Cut that up, bring it back to your barbecue place. Alright? Well, that's enough talking. Let's put a couple drops of oil on this chain. I'm gonna fire this baby up. There we go. Need oil. Alright, let me take the camera off the tripod. We'll go back to the wood pile. Here's a nice big log. You wonder where these tree limbs came from. Come off of this big boy maple tree here. Yeah. Well, let's try it out, folks. See how it works. Alright, pinch the blade. Other than that, it seems to work pretty good. Try up here. Got the dogs digging in. Put on the other side of that log. Oh yeah, thing works excellent, folks. Now we finish cutting this one. Alright, now they did not pay me. I bought this with my own money, but I wanted to cut all this up. And I didn't want to do it by hand. And I got this for 40% off on Amazon. Just go to Amazon.com, type in Sycar chainsaw. You might be able to get it for 40% off like I did. It cost me like 40 bucks with free shipping. Alright. I'm going to cut all this up. And I'll let you know if I have any trouble during this cutting. Alright, we'll be right back, folks. Alright, folks. This thing works good, folks. Trust me, folks, this thing works good. Got a lot of power though, folks. You gotta be careful what you're doing. Every backyard barbecue needs one of these. You got oak in the yard, your property, camping, fishing, deer hunting. Go cut you down some oak, bring it home. Maple, hickory, cherry, out in the woods. Alright, thanks for watching. Scotty's Backyard Barbecue, where sometimes cutting wood for your barbecue is the way of life.